Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 48. Why do I change the angle of the drawing sometimes? The answer is, once wave 4 is completed, connect 2 and 4. Make a parallel line. Move the parallel line to point 3. Now, we will have two sets of lines, the first ones and the modified ones. If wave 3 is very high, it is better to leave the first lines and second lines to watch how the market unfolds in the next wave.
Quote number 42. Ivan Baiji said, "Trading doesn't just reveal your character, it also builds it if you stay in the game long enough." This means that attaining the skills to become a great trader is a lifelong journey. To be successful requires you to make changes in your life.
Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.